Alright, so today's video, I'm literally just going to make one video. I'm just going to talk to you about what we did, and then I'm going to talk to you about what I expect from you. So first thing we did yesterday was we did our phonics. So if you look in your English packet, please, for the last time, make sure your name is on it. We did these core worksheets. So if you look at the core worksheets, it says name and date. Please write the date in cursive. You're going to have to complete that line with the quiz. Then write core is, core eat, core. So just add core and then read those words. It will be quiz, quit, quick, quiff, quell, squid, squint, quest, quilt. Then color the things that begin with a quiz. This is a queen, question, quiet, quarter, camel, keys. These two do not begin with a quiz, so you will not be coloring these two. Draw and label something else that begins with a quiz. You can choose to draw a duck and write quack, or you can draw a test and write quiz, or whatever you want to draw here. So that is what you are going to do on that worksheet. Here you are basically going to study these words as you would your normal spelling words. So read the word, cover it, write it, check. Read the word, cover it, write it, and check. Okay? Then you will have to go find these words in this word search. Alright, and that is what I expect from you with the English, with the phonics. Then on the planning, it says creative writing. Now, I have the English Collins books with me. I will add it in your packet next week, but unfortunately this week you don't have it. So I'm going to give you a skip on the creative writing this week. Don't worry about that. Maybe we will work this in at some other time when you are in class and I am catching up on outstanding assessments again. Then I'll give you an opportunity to do this. But for today or tomorrow or whenever you're doing this, don't worry about the creative writing. Then we ended the day with grammar. There is still maths. We will do that today in class. And if we do it, Iman, then I will send you a video of us doing the maths so that you can see how we do it and what we were talking about. So, but Yuzika, you are coming in today, so we'll do the maths today in class. You will most probably have been here already today. Oh my word. This is so confusing. Okay, and then the grammar. It says types of sentences. Good. You will need to write beside them what type of sentence they are. So you can either have a statement, that means it's a fact that I'm telling you, it will be a full stop. Exclamation will be an exclamation mark, it's something that you shout. Question will be a question mark, it's a question that you ask. Command is when I tell you to do something, it will either be an exclamation mark or a full stop. And then wishes is basically like a toast. Imagine a toast that you would give at a wedding. Okay, so that is what the wishes is. Let's look at the first three examples. Have you been swimming? That is most obviously a question. So next to that, you are going to write question. Go and get the bags. I'm telling you to do something. It is a command. So you are going to write command next to it. Oh no, it's something that I'm shouting. It's an exclamation. So you are going to write exclamation. Then on the next page, you're going to finish that page like that. Then on this page, you are going to have to unshuffle these sentences. I'm going to read the story to you once as if it was unshuffled already, and you will have to go write it correctly. All right. The first hint I can give you is to look for the capital letter, and then you know what the first word is. But let me read the story to you. Once upon a time, there was a girl called Cinderella. She lived with her stepsisters. They were very bossy. She had to do all the housework. One day, an invitation to the ball came to the family. Her stepsisters would not let her go. Cinderella was sad. The stepsisters went to the ball without her. The fairy godmother came and helped her to get to the ball. Cinderella danced with the prince. The bell went when it was 12 o'clock. Cinderella took off her smelly shoes and went to the beach. She changed her name to Cinder Smeller. Alright, so that's the story. Go unshuffle the sentences, write them on the lines, and then you are finished with your work for this week.